Picture this, tender chunks of chicken, pillowy gnocchi, and vibrant vegetables swimming in a rich, creamy broth. This hearty soup is a warm embrace on those chilly winter days. It's rustic, it's gourmet, I mean, what else do you need? Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni. Today we're making chicken gnocchi soup. Before we begin, I need you to do me a little favor. Please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on that notification bell. Let's get into it. Let's start by measuring and prepping all of our ingredients. Let's get our mise en place out of the way. We're gonna cook the chicken. In a large pot over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and olive oil. Once the butter melts, add the diced chicken breasts and season with salt and black pepper. Sauté until it's browned and cooked through, about 4 to 5 minutes total. Then remove the chicken breasts and set it aside. We'll get back to it. Also, instead of chicken breasts, you can substitute them for chicken thighs or tenderloin. Let's add the remaining 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and olive oil. And once the butter melts, add the diced carrots, onions, and celery stalks. This is our mirepoix, of course. Season with salt and pepper and cook until it is softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the minced garlic, dried thyme, dried parsley, mustard powder, and red pepper flakes, if you're using them. I think this can use a little bit of heat. Cook these spices down until they're fragrant. It'll only take about a minute. Sprinkle in the all-purpose flour and cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. The flour is gonna act as a thickening agent for the soup. It's gonna combine with the olive oil and butter, and it's gonna create a roux. Slowly add the chicken stock in a thin, steady stream while constantly stirring. We want to avoid lumps from forming. You can also use vegetable stock instead of the chicken stock if you prefer. Slowly add the half and half and then increase the heat to high to bring the soup to a boil. You can also substitute the half and half with whole milk for something lighter, or even heavy cream for something creamier and more velvety. Now, once the soup reaches a boil, add the gnocchi and reduce the heat to medium. So cook this until the gnocchi is tender, about 5 to 8 minutes. Always make sure to look at the package's instructions for the exact amount of time. And now we're gonna add back in the seared chicken. Let's lower the heat to medium-low and add the fresh spinach and cook this until it wilts, just about a minute or so. Lastly, we're gonna season the soup with any remaining salt and pepper to taste. This is gonna be your last chance to season this. And that is it. Serve it with a fresh salad and enjoy. For the full recipe, don't forget to head to that description box below, or you can go to cozymeal.com/recipes. There are so many incredible recipes from chefs on Cozymeal, so do not miss this opportunity. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the like button and hit subscribe to the channel. As always, my name's Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. I will see you next time.